So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will teach you how to get inspirations and then how to get assets from flyers. So we are going to use an app called Pinterest. So you can actually see the app here. So for those of you who doesn't have the app, so you can go to Play Store and then go to the search bar and then search for Pinterest. Yeah, so you can actually see it here. You can just download it and install it on your own phone. So without wasting of time, I will just go to the Pinterest app. So let's see, this is your first time of opening the app. This is what you actually see. So you get this either to choose an account with Pinterest, continue with an account. It's just because I already have an existing account with Pinterest, that is why I'm seeing this. So if I like, I can actually, let's see, you are new to this, you can actually input your email here and click continue or continue with your Google Mail. So let's say I'll click on continue with my Google Mail. So since I have an existing account, so I will just tap on the email. So it's actually, yeah, so let me click on allow. So that is it actually. So you can actually see, because I've already searched many things, these are some things that I usually search for. That's graphics things. So without wasting of time, let me just go to the search bar here. You can actually see a search bar at the bottom side. So you can actually search for, let's say, a catering flyer. So you can actually see plenty of catering flyers that were designed by fellow designers. So you can actually pick an inspirations from here and then design your own. So, but not that, please don't copy someone exactly what he is doing. Just get an inspirations from what designers are doing, don't copy. So this is it actually. Let's say I'm searching for a tech flyer. So you can actually see it here. Here's some of the tech flyers that you can see. You can actually see them from here. So without waste of time, if you want to search for any of the flyers, let's see a catering, okay, I did catering flyer. Let's see a wedding flyer design, wedding banner. Which one is flyer? I forget about flyer. So you can actually see some of the wedding banner designs that were designs by great minds. I mean, fellow designers, we have a great mind. So at the top here, you can actually see a background, Indian, Kazakh, all those kind of Nigerian. Yes, this at the top. So you can actually select any icon. So if you are searching for something like ring, let's say wedding ring, you can actually search for different types of wedding rings. Which one is this? Ring. I say ring. You are bringing me this time. Yeah, well, you can actually see some of the wedding rings here, of which you can actually select and then go and remove the background. So everything that you select here, sorry, I entered something that I didn't supposed to enter. Okay, anything that you select here, you just have to go and remove the background. If you are using smartphone, you can actually use a photo room, or maybe you can use the website, which is removepg.com, or maybe you can even use the website of photo room on your website, on your browser, sorry. So you can actually see different types of rings. let's see, I will say laptops. You can actually see different varieties: MacBook, HP, Dell, and so on. You can actually see different varieties of laptops that you can actually use with on your designs. So let's see what again. Let's see smartphones. So you can actually see different varieties of smartphone. And not that, let's say I am interested on this smartphone, this Apple. Let me just click on it. So at the downside here, you see some smartphones that are similar to what I just selected. That's the top one that I selected. So you can actually see many smartphones that are similar to what. Let's see this one. Let me touch another. Let me just select another one here. So let's say this one here. This one is just like a pouch. Is it complete? Okay, I don't know, sure. But it seems like a pouch of smartphone, yeah. Of Apple phone. Yeah, so you can see different varieties. So let's say AirPods. So you can see different varieties of AirPods that you can actually use on your designs. So this is it. So let me give you a pro expo when looking for assets. So let's see, I'm looking for catering flyer. So let's say I'm looking for a catering flyer here. So you can see different catering flyers from here. So let's take an instance from this. You can see a woman here. Should I say a lady or a woman? Anyhow. So if I'm going to I'm inspired, I want to like design something like this. So what you will do is, maybe when you want this particular lady here, something like this lady here, a picture like this lady, an image or a picture like this, you just click on this thing that you are seeing here. Look like a magnetic glass. Just click on it and then double tap it. You can actually see something like a crop button. So the moment you just crop her here, you can actually see some images or pictures that are related to, that are similar to her. So that is it actually. Let me find another one and then let's do it. So let's see which one again. Let me use, I want to use a different. Okay, let's say this catering. This cake. So let's say this one. So I will just kind of crop it here. You can actually see different varieties, different things that are related to that. They look similar to what I am searching for, so you can actually search for it. So that is it. I don't want the video to be that long. If you find this to be very useful, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, like, share to your fellow designers so that they will actually learn also. Thank you very much for your time. Do have a nice day. Peace.